Question number 4. For what values of m and n is 5 and negative 3 the solution of the following system? They are not asking you to solve for x and y. They actually gave us the answer for x and y. Here is the answer for x, and here is the answer for y. What they want us to find is the number that should be in front of x and the number in front of y. They want us to find those missing values. When we have the solution given to us, what do we do? Answer?
Yeah, that's solved by elimination.
Solve by elimination. Let's solve by elimination from there. When they give us the answer, we can check the solution. That's what we have done in the past. But right now, we are going to make the substitution first and see what we can do next. For equation number 1, this is what we will end with. And for equation number 2, with 2n times x minus 3n times y equals 8, we can now simplify the two equations. Tidy things up a little bit. We have 5m minus 3n equals negative 11. And for the second equation, 2m times 5, or 2 times m times 5, 10m. Now that we have two equations, and the terms match each other, the two equations match each other, m under the first column, then the n, then the constant, we end up with a system involving m and n. We can now solve this system by elimination. We can either eliminate the m or eliminate the n. Which one do you want to eliminate? M? Because it is smaller value. You can choose to eliminate the n, but you would then multiply the first equation by 3. That will make numbers bigger. If you were to times it by 3 and change this to 9n, that will work. But once again, it will make the numbers bigger. So I will go with this. Times it by 2, that will give us 10m minus 6n equals negative 22. And it is going to match with the 10m in the second equation. Now that the both equations have positive 10m, you want to subtract, yes. When they have the same sign in front of them, we will subtract one equation by the other. But if they have different sign, opposite sign in front of them, we will add them. So sometimes they call this method the method of adding and subtracting the two equations. They don't call it elimination. They call it adding and subtracting. So 10m minus 10m, the first column will be gone. Then negative 6n, negative 6n minus 9n. negative 15, and equals negative 30. Okay, and equals 2. Now what? Substitute, yes. We are not done yet. We want to sub it back into either equation number 1 or equation number 2. Sure, equation number 1. Well, let me put it here. Equation number 1 with n equals 2. 5m minus 3n equals negative 11. Now with 5m equals negative 5, we have m equals negative 1. So these are the solutions for m and n.